Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to manage plugins in WordPress. Log into WordPress. On the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. You will see the list of installed plugins. From here, you can activate or delete a plugin. To add a new plugin, click on Add New. Here, you will see the list of plugins. If you want to find more plugins, then click on WordPress plugin directory. To edit a particular plugin, click on Plugin Editor. Here, you will see the default plugin to edit. Now, to edit another plugin apart from default, go to Select Plugin to Edit dropdown and choose your plugin. Then, click on Select button to get the code for that plugin. You can edit the code here, but it is only recommended for the advanced users. Once you edit the code, make sure to click on Update File to save changes. That's how you can manage plugins in WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.